camera there. She made me take her to this romantic little booth at the Leoncito Mexican restaurant in Vieira.
They have the best sweet tea.
We just had the fajitas for 2. I got my new GoPro back. It appears to be working okay. At our favorite beach. I'm gonna turn around so they can see the beach, honey. You gotta show everybody the beach. See? There you go, there's our beach. It's our favorite beach out here, but we're Garfield Beach. It's in Cocoa Beach, right? Or Cape Canaveral. It's no, it wouldn't be Cocoa Beach because otherwise it would have parking meters, but they charge for parking, so.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like Cape Canaveral.
The other ones look like freighters.
I'm glad the beach is back to looking like itself.
Yeah, the beach almost looks normal again. Yeah, it was like completely gone there after the hurricane. It's a day before the RV Super Show in Tampa, and this is the over to the Seminole Hard Rock Casino the night before, and try our luck at a little bit of RV Super Show. We're going the night before it starts, and we're in traffic on I-4. Not pretty. We're all packed up, ready to go wherever the adventure takes us. We got Sophie along with us. Want to say hi, Sophie? Hi. Anyhow, the RV Super Show. We'll probably end up at the casino tonight. To the Hard Rock.
Do you want to park it in this area, or is that good enough?
Yeah, that's good. It's in the Lions Casino, Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa Bay. We're getting ready to go in and try our luck. Look at our beautiful van now. We redid it and took one of the beds out, lowered that bed, took the bench seat out. Here we can sit on the cooler with a pillow. It'll be just as good. And the dog is a new accessory. She's not sure what to think yet. She's like, I think she's like debating whether, you know, whether we're trying to get rid of her or what the deal is. She's not sure. But,
Hi, Phil.
hi, sweetheart.
You want to tell everybody where we're at?
We are at the Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Tampa, Florida.
Yes, we are. Lots of money to be won and lots of money to be lost.
Ooh, they got shield limits on.
Kinds of slots on one side and tables on the other.
What is that, the minor?
Okay, it could go anywhere.
Oh,
You
no.
go.
Okay, it's my turn, right?
Yep.
Minor. See something different. This one's confusing. This one gives you an extra gold symbol. How does it do that? How often does it do that?
We
Ooh, that was a bunch of them there.
We got it to shake its thing real quick. Oh,
Wow, $17. That was a nice one.
Oh, maybe it'll...
That's not bad. 12 bucks. There it is.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Now we
Alright,
want to get the
Daddy, go
grand.
ahead.
You want me to go first?
Yep.
The grand.
All right.
What's that? The mini. We don't want the mini.
We don't want the many.
That's the minor. 2 minors.
Oh,
Maybe. major, baby. What was that?
The
Oh, that was
grand.
the grand. Oh,
Get
the grand and the major.
Get the grand. Get the grand.
One of these is the winner.
One of these is the winner. Come on, Daddy. You can pick it. Come on. You can do it. Oh, the mini.
The mini.
Oh.
I think it's free. I think it just gives you whatever it wants to give you. You know what I mean? Come on,
I
man.
don't know. We hit it. We hit it.
Yeah, whatever that is. What is that? Let's do the mystery pick. That's what I always do. Let the game pick it. 6 times 5 reels. 3 free games. It's got to hit right away. We only get 3 spins.
Ooh, 3 of them. Oh, I thought that was 3 of them.
What did we win?
1380.
1380. Well,
So together, how much was that with the mini? That was $20-something we won.
up to 34. That was kind of fun anyway.
Oh, $16.
You got your 40. All right, go
There we
ahead.
go.
Let's see what our...
Oh, it doesn't let me have control of nothing.
You got 80. What was that? Oh, it gives you... Oh, that's wild. Spins up there and it gives you more money. That's $1.60. Each big money pays $3.20. No big money, right?
No, sure.
See, it goes up every time, right?
It's doing its own thing. I can't.
$7.20.
I don't have any
Come on, big
control.
money, big money, big money. There it is.
Woo, yeah!
$7.20 right there.
I know. That's
Well, let's
awesome.
hit a bunch of big monies in this race.
I would love to.
We have another 80 cents. Now it's $8. Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money. It's all right, it's all right. We're not done yet. This is only game 5. Let it go. We're going to hit 880. Come on. Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money. Come on, we're going to hit something good here. Feels it. Feels it. Come on. $1.60 more. Puts it over $10 now.
Come on, big money.
There it is. $10.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
80 cents,
Big
Annie.
money, big money, big money,
Hit it,
big money,
big
big
money.
money, big money.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And the wilds.
Oh, and the wild. Oh, yes.
Oh, nice.
All right.
Come on, big money, big money, big money.
Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money.
Now what it goes? Another 80 cents? Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money.
Come on, big money, big money.
80 cents again. 12.80.
Come on, come on, come on.
There
Big
it
money.
is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all right, look at it go. Look at all that money piling up.
Okay, come on, come on. Big money.
The
big
last spin, come on.
Big,
We
big,
need
come
another
on,
big
big,
money.
big. Come on.
Come on, one more big money.
20 bucks.
Hit it, hit it, hit it,
20
hit
bucks.
it.
Oh, child. Nothing. That's it.
And $51. I like these pictures.
I know.
These are good to see.
They just lay out. Yeah, exactly. 87.67. Do you want to continue to play this? We're going to move.
We play it down to 80. So you got
Sure you don't want to move to another?
no, because at 80 we're doubled up. So
Okay.
we're spinning at 80 cents a spin. So you got about 10 spins. And I got it on video.
Oh my God.
Oh my-
8 free games. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Your win is $1,500.
Oh, and I still got 8 free games.
Yes, yes. Let me play them. You ready? Here we go. Get up out of the seat. Let me play. Let me play. Oh, no. Let me play.
Look at that, folks. $1,500 in about 3 spins.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah, that was nice. shit now. After giving that big baby.
Come on!
Oh, here comes something.
Come on!
We got a tornado.
Come on!
What did that give us? Anything?
That's it. I think it just.
Wow. That was so cool. Paying for Kim. We're just going and going and going. She's up to 72.50. And here it goes again. Here it goes again. Hey big baby. Hey big. Oh, it's got the kings and the aces. Another dynamite win. Wow. How much can we win here today? This is crazy. I should have been betting $1.50 on it. Look at that. That'd be $170 right now. Come on, we need some more free spins. Free spins. Yes, you got them, baby. Free spins. More free spins. Come on. Uh-oh. Yeah, there you go. Five more free spins.
One more time.
Give me that five. Give me that five.
Oh my gosh! I'm at like 50 free spins. Look at that. That was
It's not done yet. Last spin. All right, $87. That's a nice hit, baby.
That is a nice.
You better cash after that one. What do you think?
I guess you cash out.
Either that or maybe I'd play it. You got $99 right now. So I maybe play it down to 90 or 80 and then cash out. Or if you can get it above. Buffalo! What'd that pay?
I don't know.
$14? Is that what it paid? $14?
Yep.
That's not bad. Now you're up over 100, baby. You wanna just... Keep going, keep going, keep going. More. Not bad. $22. $50, I think. I'm up $30 on this one. At the Mango Plaza, which is right over here, and that's where the Walmart was. That's where we spent the night. And then we got up and went over to the Bethesda RV Park, which was a pretty nice RV park. RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida. Good morning, everybody. We're getting ready to go to the RV show. We slept in a Walmart parking lot tonight. You can see here's the Publix here, and they didn't mind anybody spending the night here. There were several campers here last night. The semi over there. So my wife came out of the grocery store with a bunch of bread to feed the birds. So we're out here feeding the birds. And they seem to be enjoying it. We've already unloaded a couple loaves of bread on these guys.
Oh yeah, I think because we saved on not having to camp at a campsite, we have enough money now to help nature out a little bit.
That was so exciting, and we had a lot of fun. We gave a couple $100 back to them, but it certainly was fun. We had a great time last night, and we didn't get out of there till almost midnight. Then we went and got some breakfast. And it was 1:30 in the morning by the time we got to bed, so we got us a campground for the next 2 nights, and we're gonna go get a shower and get dressed for the RV show, and then head down there and see what's going on over there. And we're looking forward to it. And we drove out here to Tampa, and it certainly seems to have worked. It's done a good job. I need to be able to tighten these cords up. They tend to get loose as we're traveling, so I'm gonna have to tighten them up. But other than that, this is our new setup here. We got Sophie hanging out here. We got our bed lowered, which is much better down here. And we got all our gear in the back there. Our refrigerator, our sink and everything here. It's a little messed up right now, but we're not too concerned about that. Everything's looking good. And we got our little toilet in here now. So we are definitely ready to rumble.
Everybody eats today.
Everybody got some bread today. Even the crows are getting in the act.
Oh yeah, I'm surprised the blackbirds haven't come over the horizon.
We got one over there, see him?
We'll see what they do is they get the bread and then they fly down to the pond and they get a drink of water. Hey Philip, where are we at?
We are at the RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida.
We sure are. We're here with Philip and me, Kimberly, and Sophie. And just give you a look around here. We're going in to look at the River Ranch by Columbus. I'm gonna go up the stairs here and take a look at this. This thing's pretty huge, actually. Oh my God, it's like a house. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. Look out there, all the little decor and lots of windows. It's nice to see. Pretty nice stove over there with a refrigerator and kitchen, full kitchen. Wow, this is like, you know what? It's like living on a boat or something. It's pretty cool. How are you? You're fine. This is the bathroom. Everything is like full size. It's pretty huge. The bathroom looks pretty nice and incredible as well. This is pretty sweet. I mean, can't deny that. Lots of cabinetry with mirrors on it, which gives a full effect of. You're fine. I'm just gonna come in and just take a quick.
In the bathroom.
This is the bedroom. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Have you guys already been down to look at the other units?
We've been through a lot, yeah.
Oh, well, fantastic. We're just starting out. Well, have fun. Say hi, Sophie. Say hi. Say hi, Sophie. No, hold on. She's like, I'm so hot. It's hot out here. It's about 1 o'clock. It's cooking. It's called the Palomino. That looks pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. Not too bad. The 3/4 ton. Wow, that's pretty nice.
Not bad.
This one's the same thing, huh? Wow, they got a bed up there. Oh, I kind of like this one. This one's nice. This one's This would be real
They're
nice.
right on the back
Here.
of your pickup, man. That's pretty cool.
Let me get up in there and take a look real quick. Hi, I'm not crowding you in, am I?
No,
Okay.
we didn't see air conditioner,
Oh, yeah.
and then I just found this, and he said it was a heater, but it's got cool and warmer.
Oh, this is nice. How much does a unit like this run? Do you know? Oh, you don't know? This is
No,
pretty
no.
sweet, isn't it?
Yeah,
I like this.
we were surprised. It just you gotta have some
This
air.
looks very like chic, feminine. It's very nice. Really nice
Yeah, they
for
are
a woman
coming
that
together with
traveling. Yeah.
colors and whatnot.
Yeah, like the first one I think was kind of a little more male-based looking.
Yeah.
And this one, but this one's nice. It's got a lot of chic touches to it. All right, we're gonna go up in our second one here, which was the first one that I passed by. Oh, okay, here we got a shower. And we got like a bed type of situation. It's a little bit different, which I think adds a little bit of room to it. This one is just as nice, I think. It's very, very nice. Of course, it's got the modulars on the floor here where you can see where you put it in a table or do something like that, but this is very nice. I didn't see the shower on the other one. This is kind of really nice in here.
Hey, what kind of breed is she?
Fresh squeezed lemonade.
American Staffordshire Shepherd and Portuguese Waterfowl. And a bunch of other things.
She's pretty. You don't see too many like that.
She's really well behaved too. She's a good girl.
Here, little, they get sportier and sportier every year. Dang, look at that one right there. That is so sweet. Look at this one. This one is so sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. This one is too cute. Look at how nice that one is. I like the color.
That's a battery. Yeah, electric one.
Yeah, that is sweet looking. All right, baby. They got seminars here and a show office. All mixed with chicken tenders and french fries. Hot dogs and mozzarella sticks. And what is that? Antipasta red wraps.
This is the little food court area here.
Oh, look, they're even showing the little trailer homes too.
Tiny homes.
Yeah, let's go look at some of the tiny homes.
We thought about getting one of those, didn't we, honey?
Right, we did.
Wasn't
We started off thinking that we were maybe going to get a teardrop camper. And my, what a long way we've come.
Boy, did we come a long way from a teardrop
We did.
camper. Oh, yes. For that size? Well, we stopped and got a raspberry lemonade for $6 at the lemonade stand here. Pretty good. It's really tasty. Sweet, but good. All right, honey.
That's right. We had a great time.
It's been a lot of fun. And there we have it, our sunset over our camp. As we get ready to end another day in the Jolly Rogers journey.
Having a spa.
Just having a spa moment. She's got her massage pad down. She's got her feet up, relaxing on the pad. Sophie's over there resting from all the dogs she met today. She had a lot of excitement. And then of course we have Bones, and Kimberly dressed her up in some jewelry.
Those things, you know, like we did in Paris, the gondolas. They should have those.
Gondolas.
Down here. Yeah,
The gondolas.
gondolas, man.
Riverwalk in Tampa Bay. And it's this nice walkway that runs along the river. And this is where it goes.
It's amazing. Look at the architecture.
It's a mosque. It's a Muslim mosque.
The aliens are here.
It's huge, isn't it? And here come the bikers. Watch out, a gang of bikers.
Well, a lot of people jog down through here, and looks like a very peaceful walk if you get a lunch break from your job. But wow, it's got some very cool stuff. Must be a water taxi of some sort. And Sophie meets lots of mates. Hi. It's actually this is pretty cool, and we're getting real close to the Stargaze Center for the performing arts, which is nice. Area up here. Say hi. You too. They have right here online plus Uber here that you can pay and put your credit card in and take for the day in case you get tired from walking. But this is post 14 for the water taxi. Looks like there's a duck. Let's see the duck there. Oh, there is a couple of them. Let's hope they don't chase us, but it's a nice little pond area. It's really quiet. Cute. I don't want to get too much closer. I don't want to threaten them, and I don't need them threatening me. Just gorgeous. Once again, we're in Tampa on the Riverwalk.
She's afraid of dogs, so she knows we're going.
Aww. So pretty. She's so pretty, guys. She's so pretty. Have a good day. Bye. That's a taxi? Oh, is it? That is too cool. You know, sometimes in life, you know, people want to wait so long in their life before they get something to achieve something or start having fun. And, but there's no better time like the present. There's a lot of people that say, well, I don't have the money, or I can't do this, or I can't do that. But, you know, there's a time when you just got to say, you have to do some sacrificing. Sacrifice some things out of your life that you're normally used to, that are so stable. And sometimes get out there and do a little adventure and take a little bit of a chance so you can live a little bit of the life you work so hard for. She does. She has a puppy. Hi. Can she say hi?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Aw. So pretty.
She's like, I'm over it.
Say hi. Have a beautiful day. Bye. That is a great friend swing. To get to know some. Oh, there's the pirate water taxi, all yellow, and the tiki boat in Tampa.com.